What's going on, guys? It's your boy in the Badass 200 and we're back with another video. Filming the car again because I'm doing some work on it. As you guys can see, gotta fix this all up right here. It was only sticked on by some glue. As you guys can see, there's gonna be some clips right here, and this one doesn't have any clips. It just has adhesive. I have to take off all that, which I already did, and then I'm gonna tape it back in again, and hopefully this will stay flush, stay nice. And then back here is the big difference. Took off the entire spoiler, so I don't want it anymore. Looked dumb, made a whole bunch of noise, so we just decided to take it off. So yeah, this is just a start. Pretty much what we're doing for today. You guys see the spoiler on right here. Putting this back later. Maybe sell it or something. I don't know. I don't really want it anymore. I'm not gonna have any use for it. What are we doing over here, Swift? What is this?
We're gonna work on the Mercedes as soon as Adriel tells us how I lower the radiator support about 2 inches.
That we're gonna do, Adriel? See? ¿Nos vas a ayudar?
Come on.
He's gonna help us out with the car, guys. Yeah, this is his newest buy. You got this at the auction, you said?
Yep.
And what kind of Mercedes is it?
It's a C300 with a V6. They're about 260 horse. All-wheel drive, nice little cars actually.
He likes it. It's all-wheel drive too?
Yep.
Damn. Her cousin has an AMG, so it's pretty much, this is just the baby version of his car, of what my cousin has. I know someday I'll definitely show it on video so you guys can see that. That AMG is pretty nice. Working on the cars today, that's all I'm going to be spending today. Took off the spoiler. I might get something new, you know. Put something else right here. My uncle was telling me I should cop another ducktail. I think I might. Or just a little like low-level spoiler to put on here or something. For now, we're going to wait for this to dry up here. And while we wait, we're going to eat. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Watch out. Some more. Alrighty. So, little update. Fixed up a couple things on the Mercedes now. We got this, so now it actually grabs on. This sits good now. How it's supposed to be, sort of, for the most part. Check out the interior though. The interior is where it's at. Classic Mercedes. Hola! Wow!
Back in my middle school, I was the man. The girls really loved me, they really was fans. And then
Let
I
him
hit
drive.
high school, didn't know
He wants
who
to
I
drive.
am. They hearing my
He
music,
said, "Let me
my
hop in the
teachers
band."
See me on Twitter like CJ.
He said, "No, get me out of the
band."
band.
When I was in grade 4, back in my middle school, I was the man. Girls really loved me, they really was fans.
So yeah,
I hit high school, didn't know who I am. They hearing
that's the
my
view.
music, my teachers fans. See me on Twitter like CJ.
So no spoiler. No spoiler anymore. I'm gonna have to paint this off. Jose was telling me about getting the whole thing painted black, jet black, instead of going for red again. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so basically Josue just explained to me that if I wanted to keep the car red, it was gonna be a lot more expensive, and he pretty much just convinced me to buy some black paint and we'll paint it ourselves. See, now we just need to fix this side. I think it's hopefully dry now and hopefully clean. It wasn't sticking before. That's all it is. We got this fixed up. We got brand new adhesive on this. Oh no, actually no, this one was good. It's the opposite side. Then we got some sticky tape on. Or not sticky tape, whatever. M3 tape. So yeah, we'll check it back with you guys when that's all done, and I think I'll vlog on the way back home. So yeah, see you guys here in a bit. Alrighty guys, so we're on the way back now. Finished up what I pretty much just wanted to do today. I just got the fender fixed, I got the spoiler off, and you guys might hear that rattle. I want to get that fixed when I get home. I think it's just a bolt, so I'm gonna check. It's so annoying. It's so fucking annoying. And it pisses me off so much. And we tried getting the steering wheel fixed. As you can see, it's not aligned. And we tried getting that fixed, but I think I just have to get an alignment on it because I thought it was just the steering wheel. Because when I let go, I mean, for the most part, it goes straight. And Jose was explaining to me that it's the camber and it's going to be the toe. Because my right wheel, my passenger wheel, is a little bit out and it's a little bit up. So it's not like in the best position, and I should definitely get it aligned. And as you guys see, this check engine light right here, it's pretty much just because my map sensor is faulty, so every single time I have to disconnect it. And what Josue did is he pretty much just kept the map sensor on and everything, but we changed the revs. So he dropped down the revs a little bit. The map sensor stock used to just leave it at like 2. It would be revving all the way up to 2 grand, and it would stay there at idle. And if you didn't disconnect it, the computer wouldn't reset, so it would stay at 2,000 every time you're idling. So we have to take off the map sensor every time I want to drive. So what he pretty much did is he just dropped the revs. So now it's sitting probably at like 1.5. Is what I saw over there at the stoplight. It was sitting at 1.5, so 1,500 RPMs, which is all right. It's still pretty high, but it's all right. It's definitely better than where it was before. So yeah, this car is going to be a lot of work. I know it's definitely going to be a while before I get to my end goal of this car, but I mean, Josue is telling me to sell the car and cop something else because he found that Mercedes that I showed you guys earlier at the auction for, I think it was $38,000. So yeah, $3,800 for a 2012 Mercedes, you know, V6 all-wheel drive. It's a dope car, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, I like this car a lot. I think I definitely overpaid for sure because I paid $3,100 for this. I paid $3,100. It's a really old car, it's a project car. I have to do a lot. I mean, I don't regret buying the car, but I regret buying it at that price point, you know what I mean? So I think if I would have gotten it up for like $2,500, it would have been a smoking deal, and I would have, you know, saved a lot of money and invested a lot of that again into the car to get everything fixed up. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going with this. I'm not selling this car. I'm not gonna give up on the car. Eventually, when the motor dies out on me, because it's an alright motor, like the condition that I see it in, it's only at 20,000 miles. So this motor definitely has a lot more life for sure. Even if it's a little bit faulty. But I'm definitely gonna stay with the car. And when that motor dies out, I might go H series. Josue is convincing me to get an H series on the Prelude, slap it in here, turbo it, and run like 500 wheels. That would definitely be awesome because 500 horsepower in this car is like 600, 700 horsepower in like a Corvette or something, you know what I mean? It moves, it makes it move. But yeah guys, anyways, that's going to conclude today's video because I have to drive home and I still have to get my workout in. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, make sure you guys comment. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out guys.